Guys, if you are interested to do your business in particular print concepts, yeah, I'm talking about some of the beautiful print sarees I'm gonna showcasing you in this video. So guys, please do watch the video from start to till the end. Many of your queries will be clarified here, guys, and many of your concepts which are awaiting, which are newly arrived in our print section. So please guys, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications of any of our video. So guys, how will you contact us, why will you choose us, and how to do your business in these kind of textile industry. Particular, I'm gonna talking about the print fabric or print collections in particular in this video. So guys, watch the video from start to till the end. Don't skip in between, guys, because many of the concepts or many of your queries will be missed if you're gonna be skip the video. So guys, first of all, in my hand, in these kind of very beautiful concepts, I'm gonna showcasing you. See, in these kind of very beautiful digital print concepts you're going to be having. On some of the fabric will be chiffon, georgette, or some of the variety. These kind of fabric you will be get in all kind of print fabric. See, in this kind of threading tassels also you will be get. And apart from that, see, I'm opening full sarees because the major reason will be that I'm not going to showcasing my product, guys. I have to just ensure that any of our items will not be damages or defectives. So guys, that's why I'm opening my holes, these kind of product. See, and unstitched blouse also you will be get in this kind of variety. See, contrasting designing blouse also you will be get at the fabric, some of the silk, cotton, that kind of fabric you will be get in these kind of unstitched blouse. Next variety I want to showcasing you. See, in these kind of very beautiful print fabric you will be get. This is the pallu, which will be rich design in pallu you will be get in these kind of concepts. And see, in these kind of variety you will be get 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting each kind of variety. See, this is the blouse item which are properly contrasting designable in these kind of concepts and varieties. And next one varieties, guys, I'm not speaking more because I have to show my beautiful product in front of you. So that's why I'm just showing only the product, and I'm gonna be clear all your queries at video, in this video also particular. So in this kind of very beautiful concept, digital print, flowering work you will be get, and these kind of beautiful sarees which are highly preferable in the southern region of India. Like many of our abroad customers, they are having their businesses or having their places in many of the abroad cities or abroad countries also, like Mauritius, Australia, or these kind of concepts. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get in each kind of variety. See, unstitched pallu you will be get, unstitched blouse also you will be get in this kind of variety. See, please do take the screenshot of our product and send it to the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections which we are having all the stocks. It's not possible to cover all the varieties in these particular videos. So that's why I'm showing only some of the samples and glimpses. If you know about these kind of product, then please do call the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and PDFs in the form of PDF with particular rate also. And talking about the today's rate, our print starting range will be the 61 rupees only. And from the starting of the 61 rupees, next section will be the print loose fancy collections on these kind of variety. And according to, we are going to be manufactured with our own factory. So no need to worry about the ranges. The ranges will be, today's video will be 120, 200, 300, 400, 500, that kind of the ranges variety you will be getting. Here, see, next variety, Bella silk. In this kind of variety you will be having. This is one of the important special fabric which are coming in these kind of newly running products. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting each kind of variety. And see, in these kind of designing blouse items also you will be getting here only. Next item you will be getting here. See, last but not the least, in these kind of very beautiful jaried work you will be getting here only, guys. So please call the screen available number for the further details. This will be the range sum of the approximate, I'll remember that 400 rupees to 500 in between in these kind of beautiful saree. See, fully showing you We are one of the honest and genuine company in this kind of textile industry, guys. So no need to worry about your hard-earned money. I know many of the YouTube videos you want to be see and watched, and you can also suffer, I think. But talking about the Kesaria Textile Company, we working as a family, we working as a friends, we working as a supportive partner. So no need to worry, guys. Please just call the screen available number, and you can have the investment of 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, XYZ, whatever the investment you have. And the safe amount will be, you will be have at your own destination also. And particular about this kind of variety, we will be delivered at your own destination also, and we will provide worldwide shipping also. So no need to worry about your product. Till the product will be supplied or delivered at your destination, all the responsibility will be ours. So no need to worry about our product. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please do call the screen available number and know many of your comments or queries in the comment sections. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
आपका जो सिल्क का सेक्शन, टू गुड
सिल्क ना, थैंक यू।
सिल्क एंड कॉटन, प्योर कॉटन, बहुत बढ़िया सर। दीवान सेक्शन यहाँ पे मुझे 2-3 चीजें ऐसी दिखी ना जो मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा।
बस आप ऐसे ही सपोर्ट देते रहिएगा, आते रहिए।
आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर ऑलरेडी बिजनेस है? ऑलरेडी है। तो यहाँ से आप परचेसिंग कर रहे हो, तो आपको प्राइसिंग यहाँ की कैसी लग रही है?
बढ़िया लग रही है।
और क्वालिटी की बात की जाए तो
एक नंबर है।
एक नंबर है। आप यहाँ पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं?
मैं 6वीं बार आया।
वो 6वीं बार हमारे पास ये कस्टमर आए हैं।
ऐसा कंपनी तो बहुत है इधर, यहाँ आके तो एकदम बिल्कुल जो सोचा उससे अच्छा हुआ। रियली
यहाँ के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं, प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी के हैं, और यहाँ ऐसी बात नहीं है कि इस एक को अलग प्राइस बताए और एक को अलग बताए। हम यहाँ 2-3 बार आए हैं, हम बार बार आते हैं, यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट ले जाते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ की प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी अच्छी है और यहाँ की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी आपको। क्वालिटी, कलेक्शन, ट्रेंड के हिसाब से सारे कपड़े यहाँ पर है। आप जो मूवीज में देख रहे हो वो आपको पहले यहाँ पर मिलेगा। मैं खुद मूवी लाइन में हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि अगर करीना वो लहंगा पहन रही है जो कि नेक्स्ट ईयर पिक्चर आने वाली है, वो मेरे को यहाँ पर मिल गया पहले।
जी बहुत अच्छे मैम, बहुत
तो
अच्छे।
बहुत ही अच्छा है। प्लीज इसको विजिट करिए आप।
नहीं सर, जो वीडियो में दिखता है वो वाकई यहाँ भी है, और कहीं उससे ज्यादा है।
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम